Did you have a good bath, Pippin? Are you clean now? Oh, ruffle, yes. Let's get nice and dry on our towel. Oh, yes, yes, good. Dry off. Oh, yes. Oh, who's that in the mirror? Who is that? Oh, nice towel. Yummy towel. I like drying off on my towel. Yes, I do. Oh, what's that? Hi. Yeah. What you doing? You got your punk look on? I don't think you should go down there. No. I don't think so. No. What do you think? Let's go back to the towel. Toothpaste.
Start to brush your beak.
Come here, baby. Ah. Come here now, Pippin. What is that? You like the toothpaste, huh? You're surfing the toothpaste. Yeah, you like the toothpaste. Okay, it's going to go on the floor now, you know. Uh-oh.
Stop recording.
Dropped it.